Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add effects only to the video overlay. I'm going to use this candle one as an overlay, and I'll add something underneath. So I'm just going to add in, like, say, I don't know which video I should add underneath this one, for instance. And I want to only see this like effect only on the overlay. So I'm going to, for instance, go to blend mode and select darken. And I'm going to select effects. I'm going to scale it down so you can actually see it, that I'm just placing it on the overlay. For instance, I want to add in this one. I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to place it inside of the overlay video. As you can see, it only affects the overlay and doesn't affect the background. Or if you can't do that, add it on top first. Select both the overlay and the effect, right click, create compound clip. And it will still go on top a little bit of the video because it's going to be applied here, but it won't be affected. It won't affect the background video, but I prefer the first method a little bit better, so I just place it in the overlay video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!